What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this trail camera. I posted a video on it a couple days ago, an unboxing video. I unboxed it and I had a few comments about it. Today I'm actually going to do something a little different. I'm going to see if you can use this camera as a regular camera. The few things that we are going to talk about is if this camera can vlog, can you use it for a security camera. We're also going to see if you can use it as an action camera. And then we're also going to do an interview. Like I'm going to set it up on a tripod and we're going to see if it can interview me. We're also going to shoot B-roll with it, and we're also going to see if I can shoot like home videos of my girls playing and stuff. So we're going to see if it can be used as a regular camera, because if it can, this is a $60 camera that you can get on Amazon, and it shoots 1080p at 60 megapixels. And if it can be used as a regular camera, it's a good option to just buy it on Amazon and use it as a regular camera, right? Or no, I don't know. We're gonna find out. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna vlog with it. We're gonna see if it's any good for vlogging. So I'm actually gonna get it set up now. The way you wanna do this is if you want to vlog with it, you gotta put it in test mode so you can actually hit record and then vlog with it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to put it in test mode, and then I am going to hit record and then vlog. Okay, so it is recording. Those are the cameras you guys could see. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and just do my intro of, the intro that I do for every single video. What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this trail camera. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to give you all my thoughts and I'm going to show you all this footage. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next section of this video. Okay, so now that we did the vlogging section of this video, we're going to see how this looks for security. You guys obviously probably already know how this is going to look for security and how it's going to be. It has sensors all around the front. So I mean, we pretty much know how this is going to be for security, but I'm going to do it anyways to show you guys how this looks and how it could be set up and stuff like that. Okay, so with saying that, here's that footage and here's my opinion on that. Okay, so for the vlogging section of this video, I'm gonna save that part to the very end so I can give y'all an in-depth opinion on it. I still have to put it in the computer and see how it looks and see how it sounds and stuff. But for all the other use cases of this video, I'm gonna let you guys know my opinions on them right away. Like for the security camera that you just seen, I think it's amazing for security. But obviously this was gonna be amazing for security. It's a trail camera, it has sensors all around it. So really had no other option but to be good for security. It does a really good job at picking up movement, and the resolution is good enough to see who it is, to see what's going on. And it records in 5-second increments. You can change that to 10 and 15. I just left it in 5 for the purpose of this video. Okay, so the next section of this video, I'm actually gonna shoot B-roll with this camera. Now, if you guys don't know what B-roll is, it is footage that you put over top of other content or a voiceover that helps tell the story. So I'm gonna shoot that now and we're gonna see how it looks and talk about it. Okay, so this is what the B-roll looks like in my opinion. If you want a cool effect that looks like this, then yes, go for it. But if you want B-roll that looks like actual B-roll that looks really good, smooth, cinematic, then you might wanna get your phone actually could shoot B-roll really good at 1080 60 or 4K 60. This only shoots 25p, which is okay for, trail camera stuff or doing like security. 24p is cinematic as well, but this is not good at all for B-roll stuff unless you want it to look like that. Unless for some reason you have a project that looks like this right here, then yes, this is a good B-roll camera. But other than that, it is not good for shooting B-roll because it does look like this. But like I said, if you want it to look like this, then yes, go ahead. You're all good to go. So now for the next section of this video, I'm gonna shoot an interview. I'm gonna set it up on a tripod, and then I'm gonna shoot myself just like I'm doing right here. And then I'm gonna see how good it is. I'm gonna see how the quality looks, and we are gonna see if this is a good camera to shoot an interview with. What's up guys, welcome to another video. This is being shot on the trail camera. This is what an interview will look like. This is actually really close. I'm actually pretty close to it just to get it to look like this. This is what the audio sounds like on the trail camera. So this is the audio you get from the trail camera. This is what the audio sounds like on a professional microphone. So yes, there is a difference. So yeah, this is this section of the video. You guys be the judge. This is my opinion right here of what I think of this quality of the video for an interview. So yeah, that is what an interview looks like on this camera. As you could see, it's not the best at all. This camera did not look good. It says it's 1080p at 60 megapixels. I don't know how, or 16 megapixels, I apologize. I don't know how. You've seen how it looked. It's all grainy. The bit rate must be so low, it's insane. But no, this is not good for an interview camera at all. So far, the only thing this is good for is a security camera, which that was a given. You can have a potato camera and it's gonna be good for a security camera, especially if it has night vision on it like this does. This has a pretty good night vision. So this is not good for an interview camera. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is if it's good for an action camera or home videos. So obviously the answer to that is gonna be no. If it's not good for an interview style setup, that when there's light all up in your face and it still look grainy and horrible, it's not going to be good for an action camera either at all, because it's just, the quality is not there. Is it going to be good for home videos for your daughters and stuff? No, it's not. About the only thing that camera is good for, which is what it's sold for, is a trail camera to see when game is coming, because it has a timestamp, it has the dates. It's really good for what it's sold for, a trail camera. And you could also use it for a security camera. It will be very good for that too, because it has a timestamp and date stamp, and you will know when people's coming around your house or whatever you want to know. It has that. So it is great for that. It does have night vision. So this is what the vlog looks like, which is the same thing as the interview. In my opinion on a vlogging camera is no. This is no good for a vlogging camera either. This is what it looked like. What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this trail camera. I'm actually at the end of the video. I'm going to show y'all all this footage that I'm talking about here, because we are seeing if this camera is any good for just a regular camera. Once again, big old red X, no. This is not good for a vlogging camera. This is only good for security and a trail camera. And this one especially is very good for a trail camera and a security camera. I would highly recommend this one. The links are in the description, but do not buy it if you think you're gonna get a regular camera, because you're not. So yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. I have plenty more coming, and I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications, the post notifications as some people will call them. I think that's what they are, is post notifications. So don't forget to turn those on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.